Hello students, today we are going to read chapter 9 Motion and Types of Motion. Observe and discuss. In our day-to-day life, we see many moving objects. Moving objects are said to be objects in motion. Discuss which objects in the above picture are in motion, what differences are seen in their motion. Motion. While waiting for a bus at a bus stop, other vehicles appear to be in a state of motion. On the other hand, when we are in motion yourself, a still object appears to be moving. For example, the trees are seen to run backward while you are traveling in a train. If an object is seen by an observer to change its place continuously, the object is said to be in motion. Change of place of an object is called displacement. An object in motion continuously undergoes displacement. The continuous displacement of an object is called motion. Types of motion. Linear motion. A train or a moving vehicle on a road may travel in a straight line or in the same direction. The motion of an object is called linear motion. An object in linear motion show displacement along a straight line. If you stand on a chair and release a ball from your hand, it falls to the floor. What do you conclude from this? Compare the motion of soldiers on a parade and a girl coming down a slide. The motions of soldiers in a parade is the same during the period. Not even a slight difference is seen. However, the motion of the girl coming down the slide does not appear to be uniform. The girl comes down faster and faster. The speed of her motion goes on increasing continuously. The motion of marching soldiers is uniform linear motion because in this motion no change is seen. On the other hand, the motion of girl coming down the slide is non-uniform linear motion. These are the two types of linear motion. Uniform linear motion, when the distance traversed by an object along a straight line in unit time is continuously the same, the motion is called uniform linear motion. Non-uniform linear motion, when the distance traveled by an object along a straight line in a unit time keeps on changing, the motion is called non-uniform linear motion. Non-uniform motion. Non-linear motion. The motion of an object that does not move in a straight line is called non-linear motion. Non-linear motion may be of the following types. What kind of movement does a swing in a park show? The swing always comes back from one end to another end. It takes about the same time for each swing or oscillation. The movement of swing is called oscillatory motion. Similarly, the movement of the pendulum of a clock, the wings of a bird, the needle of a sewing machine, the vibrating diaphragm of a tabla or drum are also examples of oscillatory motion. The motion of a body that is oscillating, that is swinging back and forth, is called oscillatory motion. Use your brain power. In which musical instrument can you see oscillatory motion? Observe and discuss. The hands of a clock move in a circular manner. Similarly, a fan, a gained wheel, and a merry-go-round complete each round along a circular route. In our day-to-day life, we came across many examples of objects that trace a circular path. Which other examples of circular motion can you give? We see from these examples of oscillatory motion and circular motion that some objects complete one round or one oscillation in a fixed period of time. For example, the minute hand of a clock completes one round in exactly 60 minutes every time, while a merry-go-round also completes every round in the same period of time. Such motion is called periodic motion. The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. The motion of object which passes through a certain point again and again after a fixed period is called periodic motion. Use your brain power. Which type of motion are seen when a girls ride a bicycle as shown? Can you tell? While chasing a butterfly in a garden, do you run along a definite path or in same direction all the time? Not really. A butterfly constantly flits from one flower to another. There is no definite direction to its motion. Such motion is called random motion. The motion that changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. The motion of the player in the game of football is also of this type. The motion of crawling baby or a wandering animal is also random motion. Speed. Speed. A bus covers the distance of about 200 kilometers from Solapur to Pune in 5 hours. How much distance does the bus cover in 1 hour? While solving this example, we take the ratio of the distance traveled and the time required to travel that distance. From this ratio, we came to know that distance traversed by the bus is 1 unit of time. The distance traversed by an object in unit time is called the speed of the object. Speed, distance traversed divided by time required from traversing the distance. Unit of speed, kilometer per hour, meter per second. Always remember, a moving object may not have only one type of motion. What we have learned: first, objects in motion are those that change their position continuously. Second, the various type of motion are linear, uniform linear, non-uniform linear, oscillatory, circular, periodic, and random motion. Third, the distance traversed by an object in a unit is called its speed. Fourth, the time required to traverse a certain distance depends on the speed of the object.